The next painful, boring, awful temple. We are here.
Okay, so where are we right now, Tam?
We are at the Golden Temple.
Right, and what's the name for it in Japanese?
Golden Temple?
No, it's not. It's called the Kinkaku-Ji, that's what it's called.
Kinkaku-Ji.
And what's so special about it?
It's gold. Gold temple.
Right.
Former Shogun Yoshimitsu purchased the property in 1397 as he thought it would make a great retirement home. He also viewed himself as something of a regal figure in the community, and so he decided to cover the outside of the villa in gold leaf. He only got as far as the ceiling of the third floor before his death in 1408, after which it was converted into a Zen Buddhist temple by his son. The pavilion has been burned down several times. Most recently in 1950. It was rebuilt in 1955 with an extra layer of gold leaf added in 1987. The gardens haven't changed much since the days of Yoshimitsu, and one of the highlights is Anmintaku Pond, which is said to never dry up. My kids really liked these stone Jesu Figures, where they enjoyed throwing away Dad's hard-earned coin, all in the name of good luck.
It bounced out and over there.
Bounced out of what? Out of the silver tin?
Hey, I've been the closest so far. You bring the furthest.
It rolled all the way out. That's not such a good start. Are we going to try that again?
I found two.
Here we go, ready?
Just near the exit is a small temple called Fudo Hall, where devotees ring the bell to pay respect to the gods. But I'm really not so sure about this guy. Kinkaku-Ji, the Golden Pavillion, was definitely one of the highlights of our time in Kyoto. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.